guys, it's me Min, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a clear slime. This doesn't look so clear, but if time passes it will become clear. So this stretches really well and it's really cool. It's the cubics and things inside this slime doesn't easily come out. So now I'm going to tell you how to make this. Just wanted to put it here because I had it in my room, and baking soda and Renew. So now let's start. As I said before, I already put liquid glue inside this. Oh, and I forgot some more. There were 2 more ingredients. Something to mix with. I used this little thing, but you don't really need to use this. You can also mix it with your hands or maybe a spoon. And then you need a case, to like keep it and make it. So let's start. As I said before, I had already put liquid glue in, but maybe there might be more, so I will put a little bit more here. So we need to wait because I used almost all of it. I think I can't put more. It's already used. So, and then you need to put some water, but you need to be careful. The amount of liquid glue should be more than the amount of water. So I'll put little water because I put little liquid glue. Okay, so I put water and then let's mix it up. Okay, so I'm mixing it up with liquid glue. So what do you really do while making slimes or mixing? That's the part which we do the most while making a slime. So I need to mix it. The amount is so little. I didn't put this little. I need to mix it up a little more. So soda makes it like get together. And I don't know really much about Renew, but I think if we put Renew, it will make it not too sticky but on our hands. But if you put too much Renew or baking soda, it will make water, and then it will maybe so it's not a maybe. If we put too many, this stretches well, but if we put too much baking soda and Renew, it will be boop. And it won't stretch too well. So I think I mixed it up. It will be a really little amount because I put really little liquid glue. I hope it will not be so small because I need to show you guys. But I have this for an extra, so it will be okay. So next thing we need to do is put Renew. Because there are so little amounts of the base, that's what some people call it. I'm going to put just like 2 drops of Renew. I put Renew, and then let's see what will happen. It doesn't. Not many things happen if we put Renew. So it just didn't. So it's not that sticky anymore, because I think that's what Renew does. And okay, so the things left here will be together if I put baking soda and if it becomes a slime. So now let's put some soda. As I said before, not too much soda is not good. So I'm going to put about this much of soda. Okay, so I'm putting soda and magic happens. Poof. Okay, so this white thing is where I put soda. So this part will like get together. I will show you if I mix it. So after I put soda, it became like this. It's more like a slime than before. Yeah, like mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, and it becomes like a slime. So I'm going to mix some more, and it won't get together at first, but as we put more soda, wait, I think this is good, but I need to put some more soda. This time really little, like this much, but I think this is the same amount as the first time I put soda. But anyway, I'm putting it anyway. So I put more soda and let's see what happens. It will become a slime. See, it's really like a slime. And if I mix it more, the amount of the slime will get bigger. The slime will get bigger because, as I said before, there was some leftover liquid glue and water like in this part, but if I put soda and it gets together, the part that's like a slime will catch the other leftovers and then it will become a slime too, like this. Okay, so I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. And this, okay, it doesn't get like in our hands much. So it looks white, but it's clear. It's because I mixed it and there are some little, what do I call it? Like a little bubble. So this, if I touched it, the sound is actually good because of the little bubbles, but if I like put it without touching, like on 1 or 2 hours, the little bubbles will come out and it will look much more clear. So this was my introduction about how to make a slime. The amount I made is really little, but if you put more ingredients, the more amounts of ingredients, then it will become bigger. So I'm going to mix it up with this slime I already made with some cubics. So 1, 2, 3, yeah, I mixed it up really fast. So the one I made right now is a little bit wider than the one I made before, because the one I made before I didn't touch it for a long time. So the slime became wider, but still it's really pretty because there are cubics. Do you see it? Oh, this is moving, so I will get a part of it out to show you some cubics. So like this. Oh, this camera doesn't catch it. I don't know why, but it's really cute. So you don't really need to put cubics if you don't want, but if you put cubics it will look much more sparkly. But maybe that's my opinion, because every people have different opinions. So this is the end of my introduction of making slime. Oh, and I have one thing to tell you more about this slime. So if you made the slime, this stretches really well, but if you think it became a little bit, you know, like, what should I call it? So if you think that your slime got a little bit dry, then it's my idea. Maybe it's real but not, or not real, but I tried it. Put some water. So water will make it a little bit smoother and it will get the dry part. So I put some water in mine to show you. So I'm mixing it up with water, and then it became a little bit smoother. So it's my advice for you guys to put water if your slime became dry. So bye and see you in my next video, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and the like button if you enjoyed this video. Bye!